Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use oregano oil safely. Oregano oil is potent, so dilution is key. For internal use, mix 1 to 2 drops with a carrier oil or water. When applying topically, always blend it with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil. Begin with a small amount to assess your body's reaction. It's always wise to speak with a doctor before adding new supplements to your routine. Proper dilution is crucial for safe oregano oil application. For topical use, combine 1 drop of oregano oil with at least 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil. This ratio helps prevent skin irritation. If you're considering internal use, dilute 1 to 2 drops in a glass of water or a small amount of honey. Never use it undiluted, as it can be very strong. When it comes to dosage, less is often more with oregano oil. Start with 1 to 2 diluted drops, 1 to 3 times per day. It's important not to exceed this recommendation, as higher doses can cause discomfort. Many experts suggest using oregano oil for short durations, such as 7 to 10 days, followed by a break. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Before using oregano oil, be aware of important precautions. Pregnant or breastfeeding individuals should avoid it. If you are on blood-thinning medication, consult your doctor first, as oregano oil can have similar effects. Always perform a patch test before topical application. If you notice any irritation or allergic reaction, stop using it immediately. Safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.